Welcome to this $654,000 home in Rosenthal. We're still in here checking out this community. Now, this I do like because it actually has 5 bedrooms. 654 a little bit higher, but it's because of the lot location, which I'm going to show you shortly. So it's on a cul-de-sac. It is backing onto a green space, which is absolutely beautiful. It's got some better quality, higher level finishes. Obviously the additional room. Main floor can be office or it can be a bedroom, depending whatever the family requires, and it has an upstairs bonus. So this is a yes. I do still love the other Rosenthal for $649. Check it out here. Let's get in there and check it out. $654,900. Oh, and it has a spice kitchen. If you might be considering a relocation, make sure you reach out to me and my team, because that's what we do. We take the stress out, we make it easy. I'm Leanna Martens, your best Edmonton real estate agent. Let's go check out what 654 gets you in a spice kitchen in Rosenthal. On this tour with me. I really do like this one. This is 654. It is on a larger pie lot, which backs onto this green space, this green belt here, which will not have any development on it ever. So that's beautiful. The views that you get to look out from your master bedroom are even better. And this is really perfect for a large family because it is 4 bedrooms up plus bonus room, and then you have a main floor flex room. It can be a bedroom, technically it is, but it can of course be an office or a music room or whatever your family likes. This is just under 2,300 square feet. And it also has a spice kitchen. So the spice kitchen, who is it for? It is for typically Indian families or African families, because They're very fragrant foods, and they like to kind of keep that away from the remainder of the house in terms of odor and smell. However, I have to say, typically in order to do that, you need closed doors. So also it can be for mess as well. So I think overall this is a good buy. I love the location. It's definitely consideration, and I would say it's an A in my book. So if you are considering a relocation, reach out to me and my people, because guess what? We take the stress out and we make it easy, friends. Subscribe if you haven't already. Remember, my name is Leanna Martens, your best Edmonton real estate agent, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep watching.